He missed that one. YouTube gold, viral, gone. That's not the Newman Tractor way, Justin. You ever been out in the woods with your buddies, you got this free spin on your tires, and all of a sudden, snap, you got nothing?
Well, today we got this Mack truck here that a customer was using, has that exact situation, and today we're going to show you how to replace that differential.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Customer drops off this Mack truck. I hop up in the cab to inspect it. I see a drive shaft. But to go inspect a little bit further, I found the whole through shaft was snapped in half. So today we're going to replace the whole differential. First thing we're going to do is clean this housing up with some brake clean. Scrape off all the JB Weld because they love that. And then we're gonna pull out the axles and check for metal since they sheared off that through shaft. I'm just getting a little extra clean with a 3M buffing pad. Nothing too abrasive. You don't want to mess up the mating surfaces when you go to do a little contact sealant.
Whoever had these axles out last must have not liked the next guys because they used way too much of this rubberized flange sealant on here, and it's all in the threads, and they're being a pain in my ass to get all that gunk out of them.
Cleaning up this side cover for the differential. More cleaning. Everybody's favorite part of the job.
Brandon's gonna go get a skid steer with some extra long forks so that we can pick the new differential up and set it down into its home.
Seeing how we just did it the backwoods way, in case you don't have a service truck with a crane, we're gonna get a crane now.
We'll have a lot more mobility with the crane because it's got a swivel hook on the end of the winch so we can actually pivot it.
Tolerances on this differential is tight. It's real
Finicky.
Gotta get it just right.
Hey!
There it is.
That's so good.
Yep, that's because it was good. Gotta have faith in an old guy. What's real fun is getting those hard to reach bolts inside. Always remember to clean your bolt, Loctite your bolt.
What?
The radio on? I did ask him though. I told him to do it. I'm cleaning again. It's all about the cleanliness. That is bracket for the sway bar.
Actually, I would call it something else.
We're gonna pull these axles out, put those new seals in. It's gonna line it up here. Just tap on it. Get it seated all the way. Loctite here. These are for toothpaste tubes. I like doing this so I don't have to sit here and squeeze the bottle. I can just roll it up.
Go fishing? I'm still fishing. Yeah. Got a nut. I said if you're gonna make a video, at least do it right. I'm putting in a torque bar, sway bar, whatever you want to call it. So the next step is putting this side plate on.
Goes up to 600 foot-pounds. There we go. 400 foot-pounds. That's torqued down now, so move to the drive shaft. What are we doing?
Put in drive shafts. Don't hold your breath, pass out.
Well, I guess I'm stuck. Gonna go ahead, throw on these cone washers. They help the axle center itself in when we run the nuts down, so they kind of act like Loctite without having to use any sort of Loctite.
We only weighs probably 1,000 pounds.
I can do it. Dude, I swear I've seen it move. You get that? Zoom in. Zoom in.
I know, but I ain't gonna kill myself.
I can do it, man. I swear.
You ready?
Oh, what am I doing?
I don't know. Helping.
Way to make a guy feel bad.
Did it? I did. I moved it. You feel better?
Yeah.
That's the light end. What are you doing?
Move. I'm gonna show you I can lift from this end.
Okay. wind up. I told you that's a heavy end.
You and your heavy end. Justin, how much I gotta pay you to cut that out?
Gym strength and real strength.
Got no dad strength.
Yeah, you will eventually. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We got all this buttoned up and ready to hit the road.
If there's anything else you guys like to see, we do stuff like this every single day here at Newman Tractor, from as simple as a simple PM service to big engine jobs. So like, subscribe, share, comment what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next video.
You've been out in the woods and you're out in a mud hole and you're free spinning, grab traction, all of a sudden nothing.
Oh, I thought you were gonna keep going.
Nope.
Oh.
We're not recording right now. I was in there. I was in the zone. What do you want me to do here, Justin?
Yeah, I want to go out in the woods with my buddies.
You're doing this now. This is your fault.